Hey, I'm your Durga Durairajan, and today we are gonna see how to do a tasty and yummy and delicious Chinese noodles. Come on, let's do the tasty and yummy Chinese noodles. Yay! So, as the noodles are so lengthy, the vegetables should also be lengthy, right? Am I right? So, the onion, carrot, cabbage, capsicum, those are the four vegetables and they should also be cutted in a lengthy way. Am I right? So that the appearance will be like so very nice and awesome to look also. So try like that. Now these are the ingredients. Now we have to take Chinese Maida noodles and that is just 15 rupees and we have to this one only, so that will be easy. So we have to 2 packets of this. So whatever, how much packets you want, you can take. So for 2 packets we need 6 glasses of water. Now in a bowl we add 6 glasses of water. When the water is boiling, we add the noodles in it. And then after adding the noodles, there is no need. You should not break and add the noodles. So you have to add that like directly only you have to add the noodles. So add like that, so that only it will be very easy to suck it. So try like that. And then now we add 1 teaspoon of salt in it. And after 5 minutes we have to take the noodles and then keep it in a separate bowl, filter it in a separate bowl, and then take normal water and wash the noodles in it, and then again transfer it to a normal this thing, and then add 1 tablespoon of oil in it, and then mix it well with the help of 2 forks, and then keep it aside. Now we add in a pan, we add 1 tablespoon of 2 tablespoon of oil in it, and then we add 1 chopped onions in it, and then we add the ginger garlic paste, which is 1 teaspoon, and then we mix it, stir it well, and we add the vegetables in it, which is carrot 1 cup, and then cabbage 1 cup, and then capsicum, there's no need to come like 1 cup, just 1 full capsicum is enough for us. And then do you notice the sign in it? That's our Indian flag. Now salute. Okay, coming back to the dish. Now we mix it well, and then we add the chili powder, garam masala, and the salt, and those are all only 1 teaspoon, and then pepper powder is half teaspoon, and then mix it well with the masalas. Now we take 2 eggs, and then the eggs should be we have to add the jeera powder, pepper powder, salt, turmeric powder, all a 1/4 spoon, and then we add those things, and we add those for this thing which needed for egg only. Now keep the egg aside so that we can add in our vegetables. Now we add the eggs in our vegetables, and then don't quickly mix it up. After half minute only we have to mix, so that they will be formed as a layer, so that after half minute we have to gently mix it, so that the vegetable and the egg gets joined, and then that tastes so very nice and awesome. So now we add the noodles in it, and then use forks to mix it, and then that is like If you use non-stick pan, the forks are sharp no, so that will be damage your this thing. Okay, and then so be careful to use the fork. Yes, we are ready with the tasty and yummy noodles. Rapapapapapam. So finally we are up with the tasty and yummy Chinese noodles. Come on, let's taste it. But unfortunately, everything escaped into my stomach. So we cannot taste it because I ate everything. Do you know how tasty it is? That's like superb duper. I just want to eat it again because that's very cool. And then my mother said, wait, let me come in 1 minute, and then she went away. So what I did, take the fork only, and then within 1 minute I ate the whole thing. That's the Guinness World Record. And then you think about that. You imagine in 1 minute I ate the whole bowl, means how much tasty it would be. Okay, you have to also try it, and then I want to eat it again. What shall I do? Okay, coming to the end of the video. If you like this video, like, share, and then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon nearby. Wait. And you have to also try it in your home and tell your valuable comments to us. And then, okay, thanks for watching. Meet you in the next episode. Bye.